Hello everyone. In this video today, we will talk about what are the various job opportunities in the market for Scrum Master role. So let's get into it. I will go to LinkedIn portal and also show you Scrum Master roles that are available today in various geographies. So let's get into it. So here you can see the first opportunity is based out of Bangalore. This talks about Scrum Master, Project Manager. You will also find weird terms used here that doesn't comply with theory as such, because as per Scrum Guide, in theory, there is no role as project manager in a Scrum team. But still, that's the reality. So we have a Scrum Master role in Bangalore, India, and what they are asking for is the responsibility, perform duty as a leader of project team, develop and execute master project plan, coaches Scrum team to deliver capabilities using agile practices while also following software development lifecycle. What is important is the qualifications that they are looking at and nice to have stuff. So they are looking at certified Scrum Master, and that's what I mentioned again and again, that it will give you an edge over others. They are also looking at working knowledge of frameworks such as Scrum or Kanban. These are generic requirements that you will see in almost all job opportunities: strong communication, presentation skill, analytical skill. Then these are more specific to this domain: European regulatory requirement or FDA quality system regulation. If you have this, this is nice to have. Again, one more aspect that I will highlight is working knowledge of a tool, specifically Visio or Jira or Confluence will be helpful. Jira and Confluence training, I do it in my other course, but if you have a certification and a tool knowledge, that's the best combination you could have. And that's what you should strive for. The rest of the requirements are more generic, just to make sure that this looks good and big enough. So, for example, ability to handle conflict through proactive action, strong verbal presentation skill, support core team meetings. Here, when they talk about core team meetings, we are talking about all the Scrum ceremonies or events that we have talked about in our course. Let's move to the next requirement. So this one is from India. The next one I picked from US. Company name is Cognizant. This is based out of New Jersey. What they are asking for is person should be well versed with Scrum tools and methodologies, Jira or Kanban, should able to perform planning, should able to help team in planning deliverable and help monitor performance. So you should be clear that you will plan the deliverable through various ceremonies, and then you will have various Scrum artifacts in order to monitor performance. In addition to that, you can also use components like velocity, burn up, burn down charts. Again, here the generic requirement like good communicator, uh, well versed with Microsoft tools, etc. The next requirement is from Australia. So they are also asking for senior Scrum Master in financial, with financial or banking experience. Here they are looking for a Scrum Master role on a large project or program, and what they are looking at is he or she should have proficiency in establishment and continuous improvement on tools that support effective functioning of Scrum team. RT background is also a bonus. RT is a role defined in safe agile framework. So he or she is essentially a chief scrum master, a person who deals with multiple scrum teams. Financial and banking experience is a must. So because they are looking specifically for banking or financial domain, they are saying that it is a must. Also, if you closely look at this requirement, you will find that all these terms, sprint planning, backlog grooming, daily stand-up, sprint retrospective, review, showcase, release planning, you should be well versed as soon as you have done the certification course, as soon as you pass the certification or have embraced the various concepts described in this course or in the Scrum Guide. This will be really simple to crack in an interview. The last requirement I picked more geographical specific. This is a requirement from Germany. Of course, the text is in German, but I can still highlight the major part. So they are looking for Scrum Master, moderation of Scrum meetings. They also says that he or she should have an experience Erfahrung als Scrum Master. And here they mention that a certificate will be good to have as a Scrum Master. Yeah. So if you see across the geography, there are three major things that we can take away. The first thing is you should be well versed with various Scrum terms and terminologies, and that you can achieve using a certification. Second, you should be well versed with at least one tool, whether it's Jira, Confluence, or version 2, because that will give you an edge over others while giving a Scrum Master interview. And number three, if you have a domain specific knowledge, that will be helpful as well. Now you might be thinking, what should I do if I have no experience? I will create one more video. If you don't have any experience in Scrum, how to go about it. But this is what we can see, that there are job opportunities in the market for a Scrum Master role when the world is crying for recession right now in November 2020. This is what I wanted to share with you today. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I see you next time. Bye-bye.